I just want to make clear that I am not a financial advisor and the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. The first stage to setting up your Ultima Minter is to sign up to the Ultima Farm. In order to do this, you need to get a referral link from your sponsor. The sponsor will take his referral link from the Ultima Farm back office. After clicking on the link, click on Sign Up.
Enter your personal information and password into the form. Confirm your information in your compliance with the Terms of Service and Data Processing Policy. Then click on the Sign Up button. Check the email address indicated in the form for a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the Confirm Email button. You've successfully registered your account.
In order to buy and load up your Minter, you need to have cryptocurrency. One way to do this is to register with an exchange like Bbox and to deposit some cryptocurrency there, and then to exchange it for a cryptocurrency like PLCU. It's then possible to take the PLCU that you have there, to withdraw it and use it in order to purchase your Minter and also to load up your Minter. You can register with Bbox by receiving a referral link from your sponsor. The next stage is that you need to buy your Minter. Log into Ultima Farm, scroll down and then choose the Minter that you want to purchase. Then click on Upgrade. And then you'll be able to make the payment. You could choose a payment method like paying with PLCU. Click on Purchase. Then you'll need to copy the wallet address and the amount in order to send the correct amount of PLCU in order to buy your Minter. Once you've copied these two items, you need to go to an exchange or somewhere where you've got PLCU, like in Bbox. Click on Withdrawal on PLCU in your regular wallet and send the correct amount of PLCU to the address that you were provided in the Ultima Farm. Check that the address and amount is correct. After you've entered that information, click on Withdrawal and you'll need to wait for the PLCU to go through to the Ultima Farm in order to buy your Minter. In order to activate your Minter, you need to go to the Ultima Farm, scroll down and then click on the tab where it says your activated Ultima Minters, and there you should see your Minter. Click on the button to get the activation code and then go to Activations and put in your activation code. The next stage is to set up Ultima Wallet and Ultima Farm on your smartphone.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create your Ultima Wallet. First, install Ultima Wallet on your smartphone. To do this, enter the App Store or Google Play. Type Ultima Wallet into the search bar and click on the Download button. After the download is complete, the app will appear on your screen. Go to Ultima Wallet and read the installation guide by clicking on Next in the right corner of the screen, and then click on Start. In the new window, you will see two buttons, Import and Create New. Click Create New to start creating a new wallet. Next, you will be prompted to create your 6-digit PIN code to access the application. Memorize it so you don't forget it. Enter it twice to confirm it. After successfully creating your PIN code to access the application, you will be prompted to create a transport PIN. You will need the transport PIN to restore your Ultima Wallet. Create it and write it down on a piece of paper so you don't lose it. Enter it a second time to confirm and click on the Next button. The next step is to enter your personally generated 64-digit private key without any errors. You can do this by clicking on the Preview button. In the new window, you will see your wallet address, your private key in text and QR code format, as well as your previously created transport PIN code. Transport PIN code, in conjunction with a private key, is needed in order to restore your Ultima wallet if you delete all the data from your phone, lose your phone, or just want to transfer your data to a new phone. If you lose your private key, it will be impossible to restore your wallet. Make sure to scan this page with the keys using a scanner, then print it on paper. We strongly discourage taking screenshots on your phone, taking photos of your private keys with another phone, or storing your private keys on your computer. This is not secure and could cause your wallet to be stolen. Make sure your data is securely stored. Confirm that you are securely storing all your data and click on Create New. On the verification screen, click on Scan QR. Scan your previously printed private key as a QR code and enter your transport PIN code. You can also enter your private key manually. Click on Verify. You will see a message that your backup wallet has been created. Click on Continue. Enter the PIN code you created earlier to access the application. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Ultima wallet. Now you can send and receive coins. Now let me show you how to select your main wallet. You can do this by entering the Settings section in the lower right corner of the app and clicking on Enter at the end of the list. Enter the email address and password for your Ultima Farm account. Read the terms of agreement and click on Login. Return to the Settings section and click on Set Up Main Wallet. Click on Use Main Wallet. Congratulations! You have set up your main wallet and connected your Ultima wallet to your Ultima Farm.
In order to check that you set up Ultima Wallet and Ultima Farm correctly, you can go to Ultima Farm, click on My Wallet, and there you should see the address of your wallet and your farm. The next stage is to load your Minter. So go to Ultima Farm and in the dashboard click on Top Up My Farm. Copy from there the address of your farm wallet and then go to an exchange like Bbox where you got PLCU to send to there. Click on Withdraw and then enter in the address of your Ultima Farm wallet and send from there the amount of PLCU that you want to send. The final stage is to freeze your funds for minting. So open up the Ultima Farm app and then click on Get Profit. After doing this, you will see a certain amount of your PLCU has been frozen. Congratulations, you've now got your Minter fully set up.